just fit through these.
Guy hit a dirt bike head on with a tree.
Yeah, I got you, bud.
Well, we're back. Obviously, I didn't film anything after November. November was my last ride, but I'm back, ready for a whole new year. Got the Raptor in the back, heading to my buddy Dylan's house. We're gonna go rip some trails over in Nashua, New Hampshire, and it should be fun. He just got like a month ago, I think, he got a brand new 2025 KTM 450 factory racing bike, so that thing's probably nuts, and I don't think he's driven it yet, so it's gonna be his like first ride on too, so that'd be cool. I'm on my way there now, so I'll see you there.
Oh no, you're covering the pipe, dude.
Oh no.
Oh, look at it.
I knew the beauty.
You'll see it later. You'll see it later. What's up, dude?
Yeah.
Those are sweet.
Thanks.
You're styling. Hopefully, Fish and Game don't mess with me.
They don't want to mess with you.
They don't want to mess with me because I don't know where I'm going, so I can't run. Yeah, he's a unit. Huh?
I don't know why it's smoking.
Yeah. Like you said, it might be running a little rich or whatever, so.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, does it do that too? Like mine?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's the race gas or what.
It's like, it's not doing it now, of course. Oh yeah, I haven't even told the channel, or showed really, that I got all this.
Yeah.
Flex bars with ASP levers. Forgot I haven't filmed the video since like November. First real ride on the frickin' new setup. Warmer than I thought. It's kind of chilly driving here, but it's a little, Warren trails are like super smooth. That's like choppy as hell.
Yeah. I thought choppy it was.
But yeah, it's not too bad, but yeah, it's a little, like kind of chambered in the middle. It's weird. Like you just fit through these. Yep.
Any more smoke or no?
Huh?
Any more smoke?
No, I'm not noticing anything. I did not realize that puddle was that deep. I hit it in like third. Just absolutely splashed myself, dude. Oh, you want to wait for the horses or something?
Yeah.
We just pull up to the gate and just chill. Yeah, I don't want to scare them.
Yeah.
Be a nice guy about it.
I don't know how far.
So many people would probably just blast right by them, scare the shit out of the horses. What are you saying?
Yeah, I don't know how much further. This is the furthest I've gone on this. So we'll see what that sign says.
Oh, it might not be able to go any further, you think?
Yeah, let's see what it says.
End of trail. Didn't realize how big that was before. I can't tell if I'm spinning or if my clutch is slipping. Yeah, I think my clutch is slipping. Yeah, it's at a very top end, dude. You gotta mess with the lever. I don't think I can just get it adjusted with the lever. I think I gotta do something with the cable somewhere. It's not like fully engaging. When I'm like 3/4 throttle, it's alright, but the second I pin it, it winds out. I doubt it would need a clutch. I mean, I don't know. I don't know the previous history on this thing. I mean, it's in good condition, like. Yeah, it feels like, I don't know if it's my cable or what, but if I try to go full blast, it's not spinning, it's like slipping.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the cable. I got it adjusted good on the pavement of my house.
Yeah.
But like, I don't know if it needs to be adjusted down here or if I really just need a clutch. Because it just doesn't catch up top.
Is it actually slipping or is it just sand?
Oh no, it's like I was like real easy into it.
Yeah.
And the second I get to the top, it just Yeah. There's no way I'm catching that thing though. There's no way I'm catching that thing regardless.
Yeah.
But it's just like, I couldn't get, I'm just the whole time, you know. Nice day out though, very nice, very nice. Oh, what is that one? It's not slipping, I think I got it adjusted good. All right, one more click. Oh, it's like super light, it's gross. I adjusted it, but it's like super loose, but it doesn't slip anymore. I gotta adjust it down there somewhere.
Yeah.
A little bit, yeah. Because it was just winding out, but now it's not, so. Friggin' bee. Put a bee on it. Oh, that.
You want to go in the front a little bit?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Outside. This is stormy already.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can even see you in front dancing around just a little bit.
Yeah, a little slowly.
Yeah, it's a little, it's just, it's like just choppy and kind of sandy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. Hey, where do you go? Huh? I'll just follow you. Are you ripping there?
You're not supposed to, but
Yeah, I see the things, yeah.
it's tempting.
Huh?
It's tempting.
How do you get in? How do you get in? Like right there? Right back there? No, let's just keep going and then, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's not, it's not for that, but. Yeah, it says written permission. Yeah.
There's somebody injured down there. Be careful.
Oh, injured?
He was on the dirt bike and he put the front straight into the tree. Be careful going down there. All right?
Okie dokie.
We got help on the way.
Thank you, appreciate it. Damn, somebody got hurt? Yeah, I heard there's somebody injured over there, I guess.
About a half a mile, guy hit a dirt bike head on with a tree.
Jesus.
There are,
Is he alright?
he looks unconscious, but there's someone with him, and then the fire company's at the end of the trail are coming in a minute.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, he's on your side.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yep.
Fire coming down. Police and fire are coming this
Is he
way.
unconscious?
Huh?
Is he unconscious? Yeah.
Yeah, he's all right. They're coming. They're right. Yeah, they're coming down. And you'll see police and fire coming down the trail.
Alrighty, thank you. Jeez. That sucks. Yeah, I guess police and fire trucks are coming and shit, so. That sucks, dude. Oh, I see. Fishing game, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Hope he's alright. Oh, he's moving. I see him moving a little bit, but that fucking sucks, dude. Damn, you never know. It shows, that's right there. It shows you. You never know if it might happen to you. There's a guy over there that's unconscious, or like, I think he's awake now. He hit a tree head on with a dirt bike.
Oh, really?
So they're on the way.
Yeah, they can't get the gate open. They told me to sort of keep them calm.
Yeah.
They're having trouble with the gate, but they're on their way.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, I hope he's alright. That sucks, man. How's it going? Hey! I've seen you on, yeah.
You guys have
You get that a lot.
You registered?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should. Oh, I thought it went till May, dude. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I thought it went till May.
How about you? You good?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Your guy next to you is ready.
Hopefully that freaking guy is alright, though. That sucks, man.
You got a driver's license? Huh?
Yeah, I got you, bud. Yeah, it's in my backpack.
Are you local?
No, I'm from Belmont. Yeah.
Is he in the trail down there?
He's on the right side, yeah, or yeah, on the left if you're going this way, going back.
Do we have to turn back or can we finish up the day?
Finish up the day.
Finish up the day, alright. Hey, appreciate it. A lot of action today. What a guy. Didn't give me a ticket. What a nice guy. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get a ticket. I was risking it all. Had to play dumb. And he probably didn't believe me, but he was just being nice. Worth a shot and it paid off. I got lucky.
Yeah. Yeah, I figured.
Play dumb. He probably didn't believe me, but he just didn't care because he was dealing with something else.
Yeah.
So I got lucky. Hopefully that guy's all right though. But that probably is the reason why he didn't bother me about it.
Probably.
That's funny. It's raining. This is bullshit. Some guy crashed up the trail though, and he got carted off, but hopefully he's all right. But we just stopped for a while because we couldn't go that way anyways. So we were just chilling for a while, but now we're gonna get going. And I guess it's clear, so that's the update. Yeah, I don't know. It'd be cool to go to a track.
Yeah.
But like, I don't think they'd allow this. I'd be on like, or like, I'd have to have my own session with just this. And I definitely would need to crank up the spring rate on it. Plus, I'm like, never been to a track. I'd probably kill myself.
Yeah.
I definitely would take it easy, but.
What do you want to do? You want to do the trail again, or do you want to just call it a day?
What time is it? I mean, it's just straight. I mean, it's still fun ripping. It's just like, it's gonna on and off rain, I think, soon. It's looking like it's gonna rain. It was like got nice out right when we left again.
Yeah.
For like a second, and then it's like back to being gloomy. I don't mind. I mean, I got like an hour and a half drive home now, or whatever the hell it is. But I'm getting kind of hungry. I got hit by a rock, like a little pebble from you. I got a little too close, and you went rain, and I was like, ow. I've gotten in the knuckles and shit though. It sucks.
Yeah.
But I don't have any room on those for hand guards.
Oh,
You got plenty of room.
yeah.
Yeah, you could are you gonna slap hand guards on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
If you can, I would. I just can't. I'm literally kind of just fucked. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A little bit, and then there's nothing on this side. There's no room. So, yeah, it sucks. We got done riding, and I'm just glad I got out to ride, because I'm sick of all this freaking weather we've been having lately, being all rainy and shitty. But yeah, had a decent time. Pretty fun. I mean, you can rip down those straights, but it's just, that's all it is just straight. There's not much of it. So I was like, yeah, buddy, let's maybe go somewhere else next time. Told him to go to Warren. I'm probably gonna go up to Colebrook sometime or whatever, and maybe go to Jericho. Guy, I think, is gonna be okay. I didn't really get too much info, but he I think he hit that tree pretty quick. He was on like an old either like 250 or a 500 or whatever, like an old Honda, like a 90 something or whatever. But yeah, he was on the ground, and they said he was fine. You know, I just didn't know if he's unconscious or not, but hopefully he's okay. Goes to show you, shit can happen out there, you know. Anything can happen. But yeah, heading home now. I'm gonna get some grub and probably just leave the old Raptor in the back.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Frickin' Siri. But yeah, on the way back. So it was fun. See you later.